Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for my Aries people. Aries people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Aries people, in this reading I'm going to see your partner's energies towards you, okay? Your energies towards your partner, your mutual energy and the future potential of this relationship. So let's start the reading for Aries. So far I have got two cards, two of wands and eight of swords. So some of you could be dealing with, we have page of cups also. So some of you could be dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, another fire sign with this two of wands. We have Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air sign with this eight of swords. Okay, we have water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this page of cups. Okay, these are your partner's energies towards you. We have Emperor. So some of you could be dealing with Aries. Wheel of Fortune and Seven of Swords. Another air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay, now we are going to take two cards. One card for mutual energy and one card is going to be for your future potential. Okay. Okay, mutual energy between you and your person is Three of Pentacles. Okay. And what's going to be the future potential of this relationship is, okay, Ten of Wands and Five of Swords. Okay, now let's start the reading for Aries. Aries, your partner feels about you that you wanted to give them something in this relationship. Maybe you wanted to propose to them, okay? Maybe you wants to propose them, okay? With this page of cups, there is genuine emotion and care and love, okay, within you for them. That's how they feel about you, Aries, okay? You genuinely care about them, okay? But they also feel that you are into some kind of a you are stuck somewhere in life. Maybe you are not allowing yourself to let go of that emotion, okay? Maybe you are still stuck in your bad past relationship memories. It could be your bad childhood memories, it could be anything, but you are not letting it go, okay? You are not letting it go. You can easily free yourself from these swords, but you are not taking any action towards it. The more you will hold, the more you will harm yourself. Mark my words, Aries. Because at the end of the day, you are going to harm yourself, you are going to harm your loved ones, you are going to harm your uh, friends, family, loved ones, okay? Your partner. So they felt about you that you wanted to give them something in this relationship, you wanted to offer them something in this relationship, maybe you wanted to take this relationship on a next level, but still something is there in your mind. Maybe you are kind of afraid of something, maybe you do not want to repeat that bad chapter of your life one more time, okay? That's why you are being very silent, you are being very fearful, okay? You do not want to let go that negative emotion out of your life, okay? And you are kind of very stick to that, you are stuck at that place in your life. You do not want to repeat that bad chapter of your life, basically, okay? Plus also they feel that you, with this two of wands, they feel that this is the reason you are not taking certain action towards them, okay? Aries, you are not doing anything, you are just standing still, okay? You are just looking this this globe in your hand, but you are not doing anything, you are just standing still. Okay, I feel that it's you who is looking your past relationship. It's you who is looking your bad memories. It's who knows that this toxic energy is definitely going to harm me, but you are not choosing to let go of this thing. I feel that in this you are here, okay, and you are seeing yourself. It's you who is tied up in your past bad relationship experiences, okay, with your past toxic childhood memories, but you are not doing anything to make yourself free. It's you who is seeing them, who is seeing yourself. You are seeing yourself from a distance. Once you will be out from this negative emotion, once you will learn to let go of things and situations and people in life, you are definitely going to offer them this page of cups. Okay, so that's how your person sees you. These are your partner's energies towards you. Now let's see what you feel about your partner. Okay. So you see them as an emperor, you see them as someone who can take this relationship, okay, in their hand, and who is wise enough, who is mature enough to lead this relationship, Aries, okay. And you feel that they are like father in this relationship, okay. They know how to protect this relationship, they know how to nurture this relationship, they know how to lead this relationship. Okay, so I feel that you kind of believe in them, okay, you kind of rely on them, okay, you really respect them, okay. And with this wheel of fortune, you also feel about them that they are your lucky charm, okay. This is the bet, I would say this is the best thing had ever happened with you in the life. That's how you see your partner, Aries, okay. And I feel it's your partner who is coming towards in your life, okay. They have all their good karmas with them. When we attach to someone, we knowingly or unknowingly grabs their good or bad karmas. So I feel that it is them. This is your person who is coming towards you, okay, with their good karmas, okay. Plus they feel or they look very happy because from the place which they came, that is the most positive place they have ever been, okay. Now they want to spread that positivity or the good times with you or within your life, okay. So these are their good karmas which they are taking, or which they are bringing into your life, okay. That's why you feel, or that's why you see them as your lucky charm, okay. So these are your energies, Aries, towards your partner. Now let's see what is the mutual energy. Three of Pentacles. I feel I feel both of you need to take some guidance from your elders. I feel that it's you and your person who is taking some or seeking some guidance from some elder people. Maybe you guys are taking some kind of a spiritual healing, spiritual mentoring, okay. So something is there in your life, something is happening. Maybe you guys are taking some counseling from some counselor, okay. And I feel that your partner is your backbone, okay. They are supporting you to take such medication, such meditation or such healing things, okay. Yes. And in the future I feel that it's you. Okay, so I feel that in coming time or in future, I feel that it's you who is going to cut all your negative emotions, okay. You are definitely going to be out from this Eight of Swords energy in coming time, and I feel that it's you who is going to cut all the uh, negative emotions from your life. It's you who's smiling. Okay, they your negative emotions will be giving up on your in front of your positivity. Okay, and I feel that it's your good karmas which is going to be with you for all the time. Okay.